How to stop someone from saving your snaps on Snapchat. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can stop someone from saving your snaps on Snapchat. So without further ado, let's get started. So first of all, open your Snapchat. Once you have opened it, simply tap on your profile icon shown on the top left corner. After that, click on settings icon shown on the top right corner. Now, on the settings page, you simply have to scroll down under the privacy control. However, it might not be available on all devices, but on some devices, you might find the option called View My Story. You need to simply tap on it. As here you can see it is set to friends only, but you can simply tap on custom to customize from someone to save your snaps on Snapchat using this feature. Now, if you do not have the option, let's go back and take a snap. Once you have taken the snap, on the right side you will see many options. At the end, you will see the option called loop. Make sure that the option is clicked on just once. If it is on the loop, it might be saved by some other users. So make sure it is set to play once only. And that's how you can stop someone from saving your snaps on Snapchat. Remember, privacy is in your hand. So use these tips to keep your snaps secure. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.